to reset your Starbucks password. Hi everyone, I'm Jesus60 today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to the sign in page of Starbucks. Here you'll find email address section. Click on email address at the top and then at the bottom click on forgot your password. After you click on forgot your password, it will lead you to this page. In this page, you will find enter your email address again. You'll need to simply enter your email address again and press on send code. After you pressed on send code, code will be sent to your mail. You can open your mail and check for your code. After you've found your code, you can simply add your code and it will give you a way to sign in directly or reset your password. Simply click on reset password and after that you can reset the password. This is how to reset your Starbucks password. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.